in two-dimensional bodies. Strains in two-dimensional bodies. Now it's like areable bodies, area, which are having area. So let us try to understand first a two-dimensional body whenever you're imagining. So take this. Yeah, it's a two-dimensional body. If you want to find the strain, first of all, you have to know how many stresses are acting on it. Suppose if I'm taking that, stress is also two-dimensional, means in x direction one, in y direction another, like this. If two different stresses are acting, two different stresses, this is sigma 1, sigma 1, this is sigma 2. So if you want to understand that very clearly, so first let us isolate these terms, whatever we say here. First of all, we know that longitudinal and lateral stresses strains will come. So because if longitudinal stress is there, longitudinal strain also can be there. So first of all, number one, so due to sigma 1, due to sigma 1, what is the longitudinal? What is the longitudinal? Next, what is a lateral? A lateral strain. Longitudinal strain as well as lateral strain. We must be able to calculate. So already previous videos lo మనం డిస్కస్ చేస్తాం లాంగిట్యూడినల్ స్ట్రెయిన్ ఎలా ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తాం, లాటరల్ స్ట్రెయిన్ ఎలా ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తాం. సో ఇప్పుడు లాంగిట్యూడినల్ స్ట్రెయిన్ అనేది మళ్ళీ మీరు అర్థం చేసుకోవడానికి జస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ ఇట్ కోఆర్డినేట్ సిస్టమ్, ఎక్స్ డైరెక్షన్, y direction. So because of sigma 1, what is the longitudinal strain? Longitudinal ante same direction of the stress, right? So strain equals to stress by Young's modulus. Yes. Now lateral strain means that is in y direction, right? This is in x direction. Now this one is going to be what? And we know that by which we are going to relate lateral and longitudinal, mu, Poisson's ratio, into sigma 1 by e, sigma 1 by e, minus, you know that because of reduction in the size in that y direction, it gives the negative sign, right? Due to sigma 1, it is the thing. Now we are going to discuss what are the stresses due to sigma 2, longitudinal and lateral strains. What are those two? Let us see. Number one, again, longitudinal strain, longitudinal strain. So due to sigma 2. So longitudinal means what it becomes? Y direction becomes longitudinal for sigma 2, because in that direction of sigma 2, whatever the dimension is there, whatever the changes in the dimensions in that direction are going to become longitudinal. That's why it is going to be strain in y direction, that is nothing but longitudinal, is going to become, what is that? Sigma 2 by e. This is right. Next, what about the lateral strain due to the sigma 2? Lateral strain, what is that? Epsilon x equals to, so minus mu into sigma 2 by e, because we know that again, whatever the explanation we got in the first case, the same explanation is also here. Minus indicates the decrease in the dimension, mu indicates a lateral and longitudinal relation, how they are related, right? Now for these 2D, two-dimensional body, for these two-dimensional body, whatever the strains, total strain in x direction, total strain in y direction, that is important. So let us see that total strain in x direction total due to sigma 1 and sigma 2. So you can think that, so by the sigma 1 we have one strain in x direction, that is that. Also how we can write that? So you can write sigma 1 by e. Next, by sigma 2, what is that? By sigma 2 minus mu into sigma 2 by e is that, right? In y direction, strain in y direction, if you take it, that is sigma 2 by e minus mu into sigma 1 by e. Okay, this is the total strain. This is the total strain in x direction. In x direction. Because of what? Because of both sigma 1 and sigma 2. Similarly, total strain in y direction due to both sigma 1 and sigma 2. Because of both of them, what are the strains for that two-dimensional body? You can calculate by using this formula. Okay, now simple. I want to give you the short trick. Okay, just a short trick. How you can remember is just ఇక్కడ చూడండి, సిగ్మా ఎప్సిలాన్ ఎక్స్ అనేది తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఎక్స్ డైరెక్షన్ లో ఉన్న స్ట్రెయిన్ కి మాత్రం పాయిజన్స్ రేషియో రాదు. అదర్ దెన్ దాట్ వచ్చేసి పాయిజన్స్ రేషియో వస్తుంది. అండ్ డైమెన్షన్ ఇస్ రెడ్యూస్డ్ కాబట్టి మైనస్ మ్యూ ఇంటూ సిగ్మా 2 బై ఈ వస్తుంది. అలాగే ఎప్సిలాన్ వై అంటే టోటల్ స్ట్రెయిన్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద టోటల్ స్ట్రెయిన్, రైట్? టోటల్ స్ట్రెయిన్ in y direction, total strain in x direction. So that is, ఇప్పుడు y direction లో ఏంటి, y direction లో యాక్ట్ చేస్తున్న స్ట్రెస్ ఏంటి, సిగ్మా 2 కాబట్టి అక్కడ మ్యూ అనేది రాదు. అదర్ దాన్ దాట్, what is that? Sigma 1 is multiplied with the mu and minus sign is there to get the total, because one is increasing, another one is decreasing. For increasing one we take plus, decreasing one we take minus. That's why the strain in positive, strain in negative, that too, if you take it a total, you will get the strain in x direction, strain in y direction for this 2D body or two-dimensional body. I hope that you understand. Thank you.